Welcome to the third part of today's situation report for Operation TS. So far we've been looking at the Artemis 3, which was a tanker recently detained by Malaysian authorities for a potential unauthorised transfer of oil. We're going to look at a bit of a different vessel now, also a tanker, but over here on the left we've got some tags. So we've noticed this vessel coming into the area because it's currently tagged as IU listed or closely linked. So the vessel we've identified here is the RIWA, and the IU listed or closely linked tag can mean that a vessel has had recent encounters with IU listed vessels or has previously been IU listed, but in this case the RIWA is actually currently IU listed. Now this vessel's IU listed due to unauthorised bunkering activities in the North Pacific Fisheries Commission, or NPFC. So this occurred last year around June, and the vessel has been listed by that regional fisheries management organisation on its IUU list and has also been cross-posted onto 2 other IUU lists. And that automatically just brings this vessel up as a potential high-risk vessel. So we've just been monitoring its movements as it's travelled down. Just going to look a bit more closely at the vessel's owner and operators. So if we take a look here, we can see that the registered owner is based in Cyprus and the operators are all Russian-based. If we take a look at the operators, you can see the other vessels also operated by Fortune Tankers, and I can just click on those to see where they currently are. We can also look at the past tracks for all these vessels, and that's quite interesting with the RIWA because since it has been renamed as the RIWA, this vessel has exclusively operated in the further north area here. So this movement coming down through into our area of interest through the South China Sea is quite unusual for this vessel, and we'll keep monitoring it for that. So that's the end of our situation reports for today. Please do send through any feedback you might have. As we mentioned at the start, Operation TS is really about learning from industry to understand more about the challenges you might be facing and bringing together the technology providers involved in this work to understand more about how we might address these challenges.